Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some great news in relation to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra could potentially be a legend. So let's dive in and see exactly what's going on. We do have some brand new leaks from Ice Universe. In his latest leak, he has indicated that more parts of the world are going to get the Snapdragon variant of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra instead of the Exynos version. Now, 90 to 95% of people don't care. They don't even know what Exynos is, what Snapdragon is. But if you're a geek and if you live on Twitter, you will notice that a lot of people are complaining about the Exynos variant not being as good as the Snapdragon variant. Historically, the Snapdragon chips outperform the Exynos chips. So basically, you have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone with an Exynos chip at the same price point as the one with a Snapdragon chip, and the Snapdragon is better. So some people don't like this, and they do have a right not to like it, because you want the best possible processor in your flagship phone that you paid all that money for. So that's the latest leak, and if this leak is true, it is going to be fantastic. Personally, I want everybody in the world to get the best version of the Samsung Galaxy S series. Now on top of this, we have a bunch of other leaks. Looks like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that is going to be in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is quite a processor. In fact, Ice Universe is claiming that the GPU, the graphical processing unit in this phone, surpasses the one that's in the A16 in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this is true, this is big. That's just going to translate to rock solid performance. And then you combine this with the other leak where everybody gets this processor, then the whole world can enjoy this potential benefit. Now, one more thing that we have over here, Ice Universe is saying that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a brand new light power mode. There's even a screenshot that is indicating exactly what this is. So basically, the light mode under the performance profile is going to prioritize the battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. So basically, a moderate reduction in performance while reducing power consumption. And one of the key things he's saying is it's not going to affect the refresh rates. So you can have a 120 Hz refresh rate and still have this mode on and save battery. So the pieces of the puzzle are coming together slowly. We know what the phone looks like. We know what processor it's going to have in it. And if this leak by Ice Universe is true, we are looking at some exceptional performance for everybody around the world. There is still a slight chance that some people still get the Exynos, but more and more people are going to get the Snapdragon. By the way, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S flagship smartphone, and if you have an Exynos version, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Does your Exynos phone run perfectly fine, or do you wish you had the Snapdragon because it has better performance? So drop those comments down below, let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Make sure you're subscribed so we can keep you up to date with all the latest information.